So guys, today is going to be the day where I'm going to do me just eating number 2, and yeah, we are doing Oreo edition today as well, so let's get digging. Stir it. That's hot. Yeah. So there's going to be a bit of joke. So this is my sister Ciolami, someone with 13 subscribers. And that's my sister. She thinks that I put this much milk in my tea. Oh wait, no, like that much milk in my tea and that much water. But really it's the opposite way around, like that much water and that much milk. Kind of confusing though, because she thinks that I'm putting in more milk than I actually am. So, yeah. For the South Australian show, I went on some scary rides. I went on Skydiver, and I think it was a hurricane, and I think that's all. Can't remember. And then I had a slushie. I created my own slushie as well. Then I had a downward dog, which is basically a hot dog on a stick covered in like this cakey substance and batter. And that was about it. So yeah. getting so goddamn shaky.
So style. So style.
It's a good idea to make sure you can open your own lunchbox. Let's practice, Kaya. Go. Close it up. Right, you ready to pull the lid off? Hooray! I did it!
I was going to make a just me drinking video and it was going to be exactly this, but I didn't have enough battery power, so I wasn't able to make it. So
A nice and cheesy salad wrap.
that's why I didn't make a video yesterday.
Oh, yummy hummus. Spread it on. Just grab my spoon. Here we go. Always good to have a lot. Go around and around. Up. Sprinkle on some grated cheese. Now, 2 blobs of grated carrot. And
Chat saying queso is fatty water. What?
cucumber.
What does that even mean?
No crunchy cucumber in my wrap. 1, 2, 3, and 4 slices. And last of all, some crispy crunchy
Oh.
lettuce. There.
Oh no, my battery is 15%.
It's not cold to wrap.
Then need to end this shortly.
Get it all in. Oh, wrap, wrappity wrap. Look at that. Now, my knife to cut in half. Excellent. Oh, look. Look at all these bright, yummy veggies. I'm hungry just looking at it. 1 cheesy salad wrap into the lunchbox. I did my best. Speaking of bright colours, I'm going to fill the other side of my lunchbox with a fruit salad rainbow. Do you like fruit salad? Come on. We've got red strawberries, yellow mango, pink watermelon, green grapes, purple plum, orange, and
Hold on.
berries. Oh, no, they're all ready to go.
Bye bye.
It's not what I'm doing.
Wow.